construction. We're doing the dynamic pile testing using the PDA. We assisted King Construction in selecting plan tip elevation for the pile so they could order the appropriate lengths. We felt that the pile were going to be too long, and on this job the city of Wichita doesn't pay for cutoff. We used a geometric seismic system to do seismic refraction surveys here. We've been doing various studies to correlate shear wave velocity profiles with pile penetration depths. We went back to some existing jobs where we had previously done PDA and ran refraction surveys earlier this year. We felt like we had good correlation to select a velocity profile between 6,500 to 6,800 feet per second where the piles would tip out. So based on that information and also consulting our database of nearby projects, we did a complete study, and they ordered about 1,400 lineal feet less piling, so it saved over $60,000. We're going to see how it worked out. So we're starting out at a depth of 20 feet, so we should go about 5 feet to hit top of shale, and then 30 feet to get to our estimated plan tip elevation based on our study.